I'm so in love with you. You just hug me and give me warmth. It could took away pain. Tonight I feel so cold by looking at you, and it's 29 4. I hear your voice by ears, and I still can't believe I did see you in faraway place. You write your words and pour it to me in my weak self. Your paper's filled with emotions of you, and so you let me know the age of 4 you got. Without bells I can only hope you'll stick with them. With all the love you receive and sparklings around you, still near you. And all the moments you get passed through will leave you with beautiful light. When I can finally see you soon again, I hope my name is said. I love how warm your existence is. You bring me to the breeze. I love your autumn, whatever I see. The wave of your voice sounds beautiful to me each time. The wave of your lingered words got me crying, and so I home too. Every day I would listen to you, take me to your warm hug. And when I go blind suddenly, your waving voice goodbye to me. The wave of your smile and laugh looks so beautiful to me each day. The wave of the way you talk makes the breeze come, so I could smile again. Living a life, then you come to me, keeping me safe and comfy. I could left all of my stress to you, and that's what you are to me. It's getting cold right here in the night at some place with the same air you breathe. I take a deep thought in place. I never understand why do I have to fall that hard for you. It's getting more and more hurt as I know that you'll never get to me. I never get this emotional, which is a song that someone wrote. It's like I'm reading a story of how my life is in the past. I never thought that I could ever find someone who feels the same way as me. It's just that this someone is different from me, that I will never talk to him. This is the only thing I can do, write a song for you. When someone knocks the door, somehow I wish it would be you. And every time I walk, somehow I hope I could see you. Even if you are covered with a hat or a big hoodie of yours, I will recognize easily, cause I know exactly how you look. It might be weird for some people who don't understand, but I don't know how can I erase these feelings of mine. And even if I could